Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
8:30 p.m. details. The events take place over July 3rd and 4th and are coordinated with the area town celebrations. Each year there are flyovers scheduled for the afternoon and evening. Generally, the formal program will begin around 8:30 p.m. with a welcome from the memorial superintendent.
Let's help you make your mark.
Featured Mount Rushmore Lodging. Baymont by Wyndham Keystone near Mount Rushmore. 264 reviews, Premier Lodge. Ramada by Wyndham Keystone near Mount Rushmore. 170 reviews, Premier Lodge. Mount Rushmore Resort at Palmer Gulch. 208 reviews, Premier Lodge. Best Western Sturgis Inn. 438 reviews. Econo Lodge Black Hills.
Let's help you make your mark.
Custer State Park is one of them. Nearly 1,300 bison wander the park's 71,000 acres, which they share with pronghorn antelope, elk, mountain goats and a band of burros. Trail rides, scenic drives, bike rides and safari tours are perfect ways to explore this impressive South Dakota attraction.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Where permitted, South Dakota state law allows the discharge of fireworks between June 27 to July 11, 2021. The illegal use of fireworks is an offense punishable by a fine of up to $500, 30 days in jail, or both.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.